how to log into Wells Fargo Bank online. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser in your laptop or desktop that you're comfortable with, and in the search bar, type in wellsfargo.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will directly take you to the official web page of Wells Fargo. Now once you land on the official web page of Wells Fargo, on your interface, you will see a login prompt in your left hand side. It says, "Good afternoon, sign on to manage your account." So first of all, you have to type in your username associated with your online account, and under that enter your correct password. If you would like to save your username for the next time to log in, check on this checkbox that says save username, and the next time you log in, you have to simply enter your password. Now once you have entered your correct login credential, click on sign in button. After that, you will be logged into your Wells Fargo online account. And that's how you can sign into Wells Fargo bank account online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.